There are special things to consider when removing the fuel level sensor from the C-Class. As in the old model, the tank is located below the rear bench. Remove the rear bench seat cushion. Pull the front edge of the padding upward, push it to the rear, then pull it up and out. Remove the damping mats. Information: the two round lids, 4 bolts, are now accessible. Unscrew the lid on the right-hand side. Remove the fuel pump wires. Information: removal of the fuel level sensor is demonstrated on a removed tank. Important: check the fill level of tank. The tank should be nearly empty. If the digital fuel gauge is imprecise, use the special extraction hose to pump both chambers empty. The tank opening is inclined, so the fuel may escape even if the tank is only half full. Caution: risk of explosion. Absolutely no fire, sparks, open light sources or smoking permitted. Set the special claw wrench in the openings of the locking ring. Exert force to loosen the ring. Then remove the fixing lid. The fuel feed module is now exposed. Remove the 2 plugs and take out the fuel feed module. Note: the fuel level sensor is secured at the side by 2 barbs on the filter housing. Note: avoid soiling or damaging the module. Always replace the seal ring for the opening. During the installation, ensure that the tab on the fixing lid points to the marking on the edge of the opening. Reach one hand through the locking ring and hold the fixing lid in place. With your other hand, set the ring in place and secure it by turning it slightly to the right. Turn the locking ring until the catch tab snaps into the second locking claw. Note: this requires a good deal of force and the ring will snap abruptly into place. Once the ring is properly seated, perform the installation in the reverse order.